Hey YouTube, back at it again today with another video for you guys to learn how you can use our products to increase your sales. And today, as you can tell by this bomb attire, we're talking about Christmas. As I'm sure you guys are already well aware, Christmas is a great time to make sales. People are buying presents for everybody, from families, friends, co-workers, teachers, whatever they are, you name it, people are buying gifts for them. So today we're going to show you a lot of different ways that you can create custom designs and stock designs that you guys can sell via a bunch of different mediums, including our sister company Stall's Spirit Sales. You can do it at craft shows. You can even do it on Etsy or social media. There's a lot of different ways for you guys to make sales, so let's talk about how we're going to do it. All right, guys, the first idea we're going to talk about today is pajamas. Pajamas, as I'm sure we're all aware, are a staple of Christmas. We've all seen those Hallmark movies where the family's sitting around the tree opening presents and they all have their matching pajamas. Well, in our apparel catalog that you can find online, you can find these pants, pajama pants, and you can also find this t-shirt. It's a 3/4 sleeve baseball tee, whatever you want to call it. You can find these online in the online designer and make some cool pajamas out of them. And you can even make them match using our buffalo plaid pattern, which I have right here. This is the buffalo plaid pattern, and you can make it match in the online designer by using this as you're about to see. Now we're gonna apply these using our Hottronics Air Fusion. Let's get out of this room and head over to the next. And we're here. So these pants that we have here, district made, are 100% cotton, as you can see. So you could hypothetically, if you really wanted to, press on the back and put something like Holly Jolly or Merry Christmas right on the butt. We all know that's a real popular print, but we're not going to be doing that today. Today we're just going to be making the t-shirt, and we're going to put the shirt and we're going to thread it onto the garment. And as you guys, I'm sure know at this point, we're gonna pre-press this bad boy. Why do we pre-press? To get rid of the moisture and to get rid of the wrinkles. Woo! Alright, so that's that. Set up on the machine. Bring my foot pedal a little closer. We don't need to preheat for 8 seconds. I'm gonna do a couple seconds here just to get the moisture out of the garment. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Say hello to friends you know and everybody who's near. I don't know how hard to get the lyrics. Here's the transfer, and it's time to apply it. Like always, we're gonna make sure that our seams are as off the platen as we can get them, but we still wanna make sure that we're only measuring about 3 inches from the collar. So we'll need to have our seams up on the platen just a little bit. So what we can do is move it up just a hair, make sure it's still centered. I'll go about 3 fingers down, which puts my transfer right about there. Straight, centered on the shirt. This is a multicolor, so we're gonna press it for 8 seconds. For goof proof, instead of the normal 4 for one color, this 8-second application helps it to adhere to the garment better. Though it is still a hot peel. Now we have another transfer that we're going to apply to a hand towel, so here we go. Chop! This one really speaks to my heart. I'm dreaming of a wine Christmas. Preheat our towel for 3 seconds. We're going to use our mouse pad from the website to raise the surface just a little bit. The nice thing about these Air Fusions is that they auto-adjust their own pressure. So, as long as I have it set at 75 pounds per square inch, no matter how thick the material is, it's always going to be that 75 pounds. So, I take my design, center it on the material, and press away. And a hot peel. And as you can see, what we've done is we have utilized our ugly sweater font and ugly sweater designs to make this image. See, ugly sweater here, ugly sweater here, not an ugly sweater here. This hand towel, or tea towel if you will, was purchased on Amazon. You can get a 12-pack of these bad boys for $24, and they're great Christmas gifts. Idea number 3, we're gonna make this real simple. We're gonna press this raglan t-shirt from District, and we're going to apply this image here, right? These are just clip arts and text used from our online designer. Just come up with a basic, nice design. This one says, I'm a basic elf, right? With its little hot chocolate with peppermint cane in it. I've seen many, many different designs. One of my favorites said, I'll be drunk for Christmas. And every year we get lots and lots of different designs. So try and be creative, come up with something interesting like this one here, and make your design ready to use. So let's go back over to the heat press. Okay, pressing the fun pedal here, opening up my heat press. Did you notice though how it opened up all on its own? That's the beauty of the air fusion, guys. You already know what's about to happen here, huh? Put my shirt on the platen and preheat that bad boy. Get the moisture out of it. 3 seconds. Hands free. Opens on its own. Whoa! Take your transfer that you've filled up the sheet on and separate your images. Separate your images. There we go. We did with our other raglan. We're gonna have the seams here just a hair onto the press, so that way we can make sure that we're going to not press this too low on the shirt. So take it, flip it over, make sure your ink is facing down, make sure it's centered, about 3 fingers down from the collar. Pull up your shirt, make sure we're good. Multicolor print, 8 seconds. Magic. Basic elf. We're going to be printing. We're going to want to use the mouse pad to make sure that we're above these buttons because they are solid, they are made of steel, and they will make our pressure off. So we're going to put it on here, and we're going to slip this inside the onesie. Preheating the garment for 3 seconds. And now, we're gonna take our image that says, Rudolph is my homeboy, Jason. I expect that this is your favorite. And we're gonna take it face down on the garment, centered, evenly, straight. We're gonna press. And as you can see here, these lines show to me that this surface is raised above these buttons. Multicolor goof-proof transfer, 8-second press with a hot peel. And with a little bit of Christmas magic, you now have this beautiful image. For the last one, it's an insanely popular one that you'll see all over social media. It's the matching sweater for the parent and for the child. You're gonna see that we're going to use this image here to make ugly sweaters for both of them. We have again the I'm Dreaming of a Wine Christmas, and then My First Christmas Sweater. Also, I just want to point out this one. Natasha, is that good? Can you see that? This truck here is so popular that one of our representatives actually counted last year, and she had 174 of them in the month of November, and it was honestly, it's become her worst nightmare. So I just thought that was funny. Very, very, very popular design, guys. Very popular design is this red truck with that pattern in it. Press is this hoodie. Remember how I said that the press is automatically adjusting its pressure. So when I have it set at 70 or 75 PSI, it's going to be 70 or 75 whether I'm pressing the mouse pad from earlier, whether I'm using just a t-shirt, whether I'm using this hoodie. It's going to have the same pressure. Take my image, put it face down on the shirt, make sure it's straight and centered, which it looks like it is. Probably come over this way, just a hair. Sweaters, it's okay to be a little bit higher than that 3 inches on because they're usually a little bit bigger. Multicolor, presses 8 seconds, peels hot. Peels hot. And there's that Christmas magic, guys. It is gorgeous. Lay my sweater out. This one, okay, fun fact about this one. This one has plastic buttons. If you don't raise the surface on this, I'm sure you can guess, but these plastics will melt. Your buttons will no longer clasp on this garment. So here, if you have plastic buttons like we do here, if you don't use a Print Perfect pad or the mouse pad or even non-corrugated cardboard, you're not going to be able to use that garment any longer. So we must have this up above the buttons here. We'll even hang them off for a little bit of safety net. Preheat it. Even on the kids' things, you gotta make sure there's no moisture. And we're gonna take our little print here with the cute little baby bottles, and we're going to apply it to this for the matching sweater. Make sure it's straight, feels straight enough. And 8-second application. Notice that no matter what I'm pressing, my application time and temperature has not changed because I'm using goof proof for all of these, and they're all multicolored. If I was using ElastiPrints, I would have to lower my temperature. If I was using Hot Split, I would have to raise my printing time. So the different transfers change how long and how hot you press things, but the garment that you're pressing on does not. That's for you guys today. Thanks for joining us. We are going to be coming out with a Christmas ebook free for you to download online. In the ebook, you're going to find tons of ideas ready to use. All you have to do is add a little bit of your own inspiration to it. Go on the Online Designer. EasyView Online Designer, like I've said a million times now, is your best friend. It is a free service that we offer for you guys online as long as you're an active customer. So don't forget to utilize it. Utilize that ebook. Get in there. Like and subscribe down below like always. Don't make me come after you. I will do it. Like and subscribe. Ring that bell. Be here for all of our videos. We got some real fun stuff coming up here for you soon, guys. So please be on the lookout for it. All that said and done, guys, happy pressing.